Oh, that's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. That really did melt all the rubber, and it got onto the motherboard there.
Where is he at? Oh, there he is, all injured and everything. Yasmin works hard, man. He pinched his nerve working on cars, and he's still out here. We're still making content. We gotta do what we have to do.
For you guys, we want to show you guys how durable our unit is. So we're gonna test it with some bang bang, baby.
We'll see how durable you are.
It's
M4000. You talking about M90s, M80s, M4000, bro? What you know about that?
Let's take that one. More drum.
There you go, bro. This one here. The Poco Loco rockets.
Okay.
Boom. Let's go plug it in. We're gonna test the car. Make sure everything's operating correctly. So, here's the harness, unit. Plug it directly. Boom. All right, so you saw that the unit is now plugged in. We're gonna go ahead and start the vehicle. Now let's go ahead and connect to our eFlex app. I'll show you here. Here on the app, it'll show you eFlexFuel. And there it is, all connected. 85% ethanol. All the injector activity is live. We go ahead and rev the vehicle. You can see everything is working in real time.
To prove that that unit is running this engine, and this unit's going to be the one tested, let's go ahead and unplug that.
Okay, that's completely shut the vehicle off. That's how you know that this is actually operating the vehicle.
Correct. Now let's go blow it.
All right, test one. We're gonna use that seismic wave. Let's go ahead and blow this thing up.
Let's do it. Woo! Next, we got the Chinese New Year, baby.
Let's make it happen.
Woo!
Got the kit here. Let's go blow it up.
Test number
Dose.
2. Here we go.
All right, let's get it. So,
I would say just put the unit on top. Right there.
on top of it, huh?
Yep.
All right, dude.
Okay.
Let's see how this one pops.
Okay. Oh, what the? Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Bro! Bro! Right here!
How's it look?
Oh my god! It looks fine!
Oh,
Bro, you shot at that thing was shooting straight at me, bro!
oh, whoa. Woo!
Test number
3.
3. Test number 3. It's getting a little hot out here. We're gonna have a little bit of soda pop.
All right, he's torching it. slow-mo.
Okay.
It's charred.
Dude, that was a pretty gnarly burn.
It was.
Yeah. It's getting hot out here.
We'll let that one sit out for a bit.
Woo. Got the Poco Loco next. Poco Loco.
Got the charred unit.
Un poco loco.
Un poco loco, un poquitito loco.
All right, let's strap this bad boy on here.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Man, we got a zip tie here. This will work. Okay. This should hold up. We got the unit strapped down to this Poco Loco rocket. What do you guys think? Okay. Ready? Woo! All right, this is test number 4, and we're gonna launch this up in the air with some bottle rockets.
All right, next test. The firecracker fountain.
All right.
Let's go ahead and place it on top and see what happens.
Test number 5.
Test number 5.
Okay.
Test number 5. Firecracker fountain. Let's try it. Burnt and charred unit. Let's see how it goes.
eFlex barbecue, anybody?
Wow.
I think it's done, bro.
Done. Let it cool.
I think it's done, bro. That's pretty bad. I think so. It didn't burn the firework, I felt, and it just blew like a flame towards the unit. So the bottom of that's probably done. Ooh. Oh, I could see the green. I could see the
motherboard.
Yeah.
Well, let's test it out.
Well, boys, I don't know. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad. That really did melt all the rubber, and it got onto the motherboard there. Probably melted some of the solder points.
Let's try it out.
I don't know. I think test number 5 might have done it.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's a little warm.
All right.
Let's go! Okay.
It's still going.
You hear it? You see it?
It's still alive.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. I didn't think that would have survived that. That looked pretty bad.
We're doing test number 6.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Let's go.
Bro, that's done. That's down, bro.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Alright, that looks pretty bad. I'll cool it off.
Okay. Look at the plug.
Here it is, guys. I mean, this is really bad. I managed to do what I did here and just dispose the connection because, you know, we're trying to make it home. I don't know though. I don't know. Let's see if this works. Ooh. This is gonna be tough. I think I need to do a little more trimming. Oh. 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 Keys in here? Yep. Okay. What do you guys say? It works! Let's go! It works! It works! Oh my God! There you guys have it! There you guys have it! There you guys have it, ladies and gentlemen, none other than the eFlexFuel product. This is the eFlexPro 2 unit. Oh my God.
Check that out. It still connects too. Everything's working. Can you believe that? Charred up.
Wow. It survived. The fire's still going, baby. The fire is still going.
All right, check that out. Control unit is still connected to the harness and the vehicle is running. You're speechless. All right, guys, there you have it. The eFlex boys delivered out in the desert, cooking tacos.
We have bangs, we have pops, we have fires, we had wind gusts.
All for you guys. The durability test, you saw it firsthand. eFlexFuel could withstand the fire. Let us know what you guys want to see next.
That's pretty dang good.
Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at eFlexFuel, and on YouTube it's eFlexFuel US. Peace.
Peace. Oh my God, there you guys have it.
Still running. And it's strong too. It still feels exactly the same.
Wow. Does that get a thumbs up? Does that get a like or what? Bro.
Like that. For sure.